2024 was a good year for Decred. We saw the release of DCRDEX version 1, rebranded to Bison Wallet with its own installer, stablecoins, and market maker support. We got improvements to Decred's post-quantum resistant coin mixing, whereby the mixing is coordinated at the node level rather than relying on a centralized server. We had numerous updates to Bison Relay's UI, improving the communication experience, and even a proposal to integrate a betting system with peer-to-peer poker. 2024 was also the year that Decred was mined completely by GPU by the Blake 3 hashing algorithm, showing that a cryptocurrency project can successfully break free from ASIC miner centralization. Decred was also integrated into the basic swap DEX, which allows for trustless trading via atomic swaps with Monero and a number of other different coins. Year after year, Decred gets better, as it is supposed to, thanks to the various governance tools like on-chain voting, the Politeia proposal platform, and the self-funded treasury that comes from Decred's own block reward. Decred is, after all, money evolved. The big deal here is the protocol can avoid stagnation and always improve, or at least has the potential to improve and get around roadblocks that can occur in other cryptocurrency projects. And while Decred's price performance hasn't been stellar and it's not a Solana meme coin with dog or cat pictures doing pump and dumps overnight, the tech is rock solid, and it has been proven to work as intended many times over. It is only a matter of time before Decred rallies back and shows the market its strength, and brings in new innovators and holders that can help evolve Decred. Also, just look at the supply staked. Over 60% is locked in the proof-of-stake mining system, indicating many holders are in it for the long term. I urge everyone who sees this video to really try out Decred software. Download Decrediton, Bison Wallet, Bison Relay, and the Crypto Power mobile wallet, all of which can be found at decred.org. Stake, mix your coins, vote on a proposal, do some atomic swaps using trustless cryptography on the DEX, and finally, tell your friends and family about Decred and why it's special. We need to be loud, we need to show others that this tech is here and works well. On top of all that, if you are a developer who would like to make Decred better, feel free to submit a proposal on Politeia and join the Decred DAO. Let's make 2025 the year of Decred. And with that, here are the latest Decred development updates from the last month. The big news is that the Cake Wallet integration is finally underway. The Cake Wallet devs have been reviewing the code and requesting the necessary changes. Joe Gruff, the developer working on this, has been quick to respond and make the correct alterations. Furthermore, Decred was listed on Cake Wallet's roadmap for 2025. Cake Wallet is of course one of the best mobile wallets out there, and is highly popular among the Monero community. The Hummingbot liquidity mining campaign has started. After initially sorting out some issues with a treasury spend sent directly to Binance, the campaign has commenced with $8,400 in Decred as rewards. This is for the DCR-USDT pair on Binance. What is liquidity mining, you might ask? Users who run a market-making bot to provide liquidity to the DCR-USDT pair within the 2% band will earn Decred as a reward. Users can earn rewards based on their order sizes, spreads, and how long they keep the orders on the order book. Payouts are weekly. Basically, this is an organic way to improve liquidity on an exchange, as it allows anyone to participate and perform a service in return for Decred. The Hummingbot platform is open source and non-custodial. This campaign could also increase awareness for Decred for those who have never heard of it. Bison Wallet has been updated on Umbrel. Anyone serious about running their DEX 24/7 should consider the Umbrel personal server software as a means of doing so. Install Bison Wallet with one click and enjoy peer-to-peer trading and market making. Speaking of Bison Wallet, the latest updates are fixes and improvements to market maker and arbitrage bots, the ability to download log files from a UI button, the UI will display the app version in the hamburger menu, updates to the German translation, allow Firo to send to a EXX address. This is a special address to comply with exchanges like Binance, an updated ETH to work with Geth 1.14 and up. Remember, work is still ongoing to add Monero support and a mesh network, which will make the DEX truly decentralized. The Decred Video Content 2025 proposal passed with 81.6% voter approval with a 25% voter turnout. This proposal funds the creation of video content for Decred, including tutorials and educational videos. It also includes funding for new contributors who would like to produce new video content that helps promote Decred. A proposal up for discussion on Politeia is the Bug Bounty Program 2025 from Jay Holdstock. This is a renewal proposal to continue the Bug Bounty program for another year. The program allows the Decred project to make use of external talent to find security vulnerabilities in the Decred codebase, and for that talent to be rewarded in Decred. Over 311 bug reports have been processed since the program started in January 2019, and 24 security vulnerabilities have been fixed as a result. A total of $10,569 has been paid to reporters. Total asking price is $105,000 for the year, though payouts will only be made if critical bugs are discovered. Phoenix Green created some new clips.
Not being listed on centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken has hindered the larger crypto community from discovering the project. It's also had a detrimental effect on the perceived value. The solution to this problem was for Decred to build its own exchange, one that would eventually connect the project back to these markets and liquidity. With the latest release of Bison Wallet, version 1.2, we are one step closer to this goal. One major bonus to this release is we can now connect directly to Coinbase using USDC. USDC is the gateway between Decred's permissionless infrastructure and Coinbase's liquidity machine. Over on Bison Wallet, go to your USDC wallet and click the Receive button and copy your receive address. Back on Coinbase, paste this address in the To field and then click the Preview Send button. If you are happy, press the Send Now button. The interesting thing about decentralized networks is they keep working and improving even if you've been away. Decred is a prime example of a network that hasn't stopped innovating on its original concepts. Going forward into 2025, we're likely to see our network effect increase significantly. This is for a multitude of reasons, but none more prominent than the permissionless nature of our technology. The Decred network is multifaceted, all of which has now come together to form a digital infrastructure that makes the coin holder sovereign over the network. This includes a maximum supply of 21 million, which is enough to sustain any sized community. Hyper-secure. Decred's hybrid consensus mechanism is the gold standard for modern blockchains. Governance. Coin holder governance is singularly the most important aspect of any blockchain. In 2025 and beyond, we'll see many projects self-destruct because their respective communities have no way to resolve contentious issues. Let's evaluate the most popular crypto wallets based on the singular principle of the control that a user has over their coins. In crypto, there are 6 main wallet types. In order of most decentralized and trustless, from best to worst, we have running your own full node/wallet and connecting to its RPC services. Modern SPV, Electrum-style clients. Legacy SPV, Ethereum-based public RPC providers like MetaMask. Keys on exchange. Running your own full node connects you to the network as a peer, allowing you to validate the entire blockchain and process your transactions directly to the network. Running a full node requires more processing power and storage than all other wallet types, but it's the best way to have full control over your coins. Modern SPV, simplified payment verification, in the style of Neutrino, allows users to validate the blockchain and the transaction data related to a wallet.
Thanks for watching this Decred news update. Be sure to check out decred.org to learn more about the project.